Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is desk makeover. Let's get started. Let me show you why I needed to change my earlier setup. So on top of my cupboard I had my packaging supplies and frames etc, which almost always had dust on them and I had to clean every time I used to use them. This is where I kept my stationery. So on top shelf I have my crafting supplies, journals, sketchbooks, diaries etc. On the bottom shelf I have washi tapes, dip pen supplies, inks, brushes, basket full of pens, more tapes, canvas, stamping supplies, wax seal supplies etc. As you can see, there's lack of space. Also, it was very inconvenient for me to pick up something which is at the back side of the shelf. If you want me to make a video on all my brush pens and all other art supplies in detail, then comment down below and the next video will be on that. Now, even though this space is for working, I hardly ever sat here as it's black, dull, and very demotivating. Let me take you through it. So, I have this cylindrical container which I used as a tripod so far, my lamp, journals, sketchbook that I use regularly, my planner, then this common stationery area where there's everything that everyone uses at home, some books, and this is my A3 cutting mat. As you can clearly see that this space lacks any sort of natural light, so I had to depend on this lamp for lighting and also had to get rid of this decal unicorn sticker on the wall. This space was too small to sit and work, so I mostly just sat on my bed and worked. Now on the bottommost shelves, I have my books from masters and some unused stationery, so clearly not enough space. Then some finished journals, A3 size papers, unused supplies, random tools, and everything and anything that I use for flat lays or just paper of bigger size. And so I needed to make changes like number 1, get more storage. Number 2, a bigger tabletop to work on, and number 3, a more organized and easily accessible place to store my art supplies where they don't get damaged and white color. Enough of old space, let's get started with the new space. Now instead of getting expensive containers, I bought this marble decal which was really cost effective, and I did this DIY on all my existing mugs and jars etc, and even on some cardboard boxes. I definitely could have done a better and neater job with them, but I think they work well. This is a DIY I did for hanging on my pegboard, which you'll see in a while, so keep watching. This is a box which contains paper clips, binder clips, and sticky note. Rearranged washi tapes according to how often I use them to go on pegboard. For now, I put some small canvas on the pegboard, but I know that I'll keep changing these decoration items from here. And let me know in the comment section below what else do you feel would make an amazing accessory on this pegboard. Then I used this string to hang my to-do list every day. I put it on the bottommost holes so that they're easily accessible. And then this hanging container that I was talking about. I shot this video at 1 a.m. at night, so excuse how I look and the lighting. I'll definitely get some plants and a big dream catcher for the desk. Then I rearranged artworks made by me or my calligraphy or artist friends. I put them on wall so that they're constantly motivating me to explore more, to do better, and I absolutely love how this place turned out to be. I've shared all details of the artworks and of the desk itself on Instagram, so make sure you're following me there if you're not following already. This entire video was shot over a span of 20 days, as in how I arranged everything here. This is a work in progress, and I'll keep updating whatever changes I make on Instagram, so check out my Instagram account.